this lift down. If you didn't catch that, we're actually going to be shutting down chair 7. A little windy, as was foretold. The big storm is here. It's coming down. Looking good. Everybody, so it turns out that I am in fact staying for night ski. Morning, beautiful snow people. It is Tuesday, the 27th of December. We got a storm on the way today. Looks like the storm's gonna last from this afternoon till Sunday. So looks like we're gonna get at least a few inches of snow later this afternoon and evening, as was foretold. In the meantime, it's very, very windy. Luckily it's not terribly cold, so that's nice. Don't want to get run over by Mr. Man. That guy is a legend. That is, his name is Chris Deaver. Devo is what we call him. He has been, man, I want to say at least 30 plus years on Brian Head Ski Patrol. He is, he's forgotten more about being a ski patroller than I'll ever know. So today should be interesting, one of our more busy days during this holiday season. So let's get going, see what happens, shall we? Let's go. Alright, so we're sitting up here, a little chair chat with Brian Head Ski Patrol.
Oh yeah.
So what's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler, alright. Where are you from?
I'm from Vernal, Utah.
Hell yeah, a lot of dinosaurs in Vernal.
Oh yeah, dinosaurs.
Little known fact. So, Tyler, what is your star sign?
My star sign?
Yeah, like Taurus, which is the cool one, Sagittarius. Everybody wants to know.
I don't know.
What? What month were you born?
January.
I don't even know what that is. Figure it out. What is your favorite pudding?
Pudding?
Hurry, go.
Chocolate.
Why are you on Ski Patrol?
Well, I enjoy
beyond the
people.
sweet money.
Oh yeah, the sweet money.
Bank.
Nice mustaches.
Okay, nice mustaches. Yeah. What else?
I like helping people.
How long have you been on Ski Patrol?
It's my second year.
Second year, hell yeah. All right, man. Well, appreciate it. Hopefully you have a good day today, right?
Oh yeah, we will.
You know it's excessively windy when our bamboos get blown over. Craziness. Also, until we get this snow coming, just be advised we got a fair amount of little rocks coming through. It's one of the most beloved traditions here on Brian Head Ski Patrol. This little thing we like to call Toboggan Tuesday. We really like to do it when it's hurricane season.
Copy that, dispatch. Dispatch, copy all.
Suddenly, a game of hangman. Okay. As was foretold, the big storm is here. This is supposed to last 10 days, so they say. Right now it really hurts my face. We currently have lift 2, 5, and 7 closed due to high wind. It wouldn't be very much fun up here, to be honest with you, anyway. It's nearly white out, and frankly, Actually, the snow is quite painful right now. Yeehaw. Whoa! Holy crap! Hotter than ice. You guys okay? You alright? Okay. Alright everybody, so the man you saw just dropping a knee all sick. Up there on Heavenly Days with his fancy telly skis is one of my very best friends here on Ski Patrol, one of my oldest friends actually. A gentleman by the name of callsign Blade. So Blade, tell me about how long you've been on Ski Patrol?
Too long.
Anyway, how long, jackass?
I'm no good in front of the camera.
Sure he is.
9 seasons.
9 seasons. That's a long damn time. All right. So, are you a Sagittarius? What's your sign?
Nope. Don't even know.
Hey, you're second person today. What's your favorite pudding?
Pudding. I don't like pudding.
God dang it! You're killing me here.
Hey, Tyler, come on out
Stay on hunters.
Okay, I'll go over there. It'll be easier for me to get up there. So days like today are when we have to be really careful. Make sure no one is left up here. Because I joke about getting eaten by the wolves. That may or may not happen. There are definitely some really big foxes out here. So beautiful though. Oh, there's powder, my friends. Fucking powder. All right, everybody, that might be it. I don't know when my camera turned off. It's coming down. Looking good. Those are my beautiful patrol people. So today was interesting. So tomorrow will be a lot more fun. We already have 2, 3 inches, 4 inches of fresh powder right now on the run. So it's getting better and better. Although right now, from what I understand, the 143, the road coming up here is closed. So that's not good. But we'll see what happens with night ski tonight, shall we? Snow is coming down pretty hard right now. They just reopened the Highway 143 coming up from Parowan, so that's good. You know, we can get an ambulance if we need one, and you guys can get down if you need to get down. But so I'll be here all night, and I'll do a little videoing. Probably not a lot. I did hit my my 20 miles for the day earlier, so we're good to go. All the rest of the skiing tonight will just be bonus skiing, so that's good. And let's see what happens tonight, shall we? Okay, so night ski is ended. lots of snow. I'd dare say there's probably anywhere from 4 to 8 inches of fresh snow as of right now. And it is, as you can see, coming down pretty darn good. So tomorrow is going to be epic. Today is the 27th. This video will probably get put up tomorrow. So you're headed up here, continue on. It's going to be awesome. In fact, it's going to be awesome this whole week. So appreciate you guys and gals tuning in. We will talk to y'all later.